Philippines or sa Western Visayas? Kasi clan 2 ang cases eh.
Thank you, ma'am, from the 5. Sir, from Bongo, then to be followed by... Wala na? Oh, see. Okay, si Sir lang is from Radyo Bongo. Okay, sir.
From Bobola Jumalibo, Vince Reyes. You confirmed earlier, don't know. Maro 2 cases na iya sa Western Visayas, uwa travel history. May istorya kami na sa bilog at doktor man ito sa Iloilo, hambay na sa bilog sa mga anggulo, ang naman tao. Surunay ba nga ay nabubunan daw mpox or load virus from animals. Can you confirm it to us na pasiguraya na tayo ba nga ay nakakontact, may close contact sa mga animals, and if one person can get this load viruses, ano rin mga animals na nagka-carry itayang virus?
Well, as again, wa man abi advisory pa as to the details talaga no. So I cannot really confirm as to the ginahambay na buo ka lang. Again, the means of transmission natin for now is, as I mentioned ko nga, is direct or indirect. So, if wala siyang contact sa outside, and wa man siya in contact nga sa active denominations, mga possibilities will be the indirect contacts. But as to the animals, parang wala tayong cases that there is human to animal transmission. Ano talaga, it's really human and the indirect transmission.
Thank you, sir, from Bongo, from RNTI. From Radyo Toto. Thank you.
Si Arvin from Radyo Toto. Medyo same na sa question kanina eh. Kasi what do we travel history to the patients sa Iloilo. So, tayo rin niya, is it possible po ba someone would be carrier pero hindi mo mag-manifest kita symptoms?
Na-mention na naman kayo na the only time na maka-infect imaw if symptomatic. So, kung wapat symptoms, you cannot infect.
Last question is 4:29 na, no? Sige, Sir June.
Kung mahapo lang, Doc Lex.
Sige, Sir June.
Are we
Marami tourist kasi verification na for information din sa public. Are we reviving the health declaration cards? Kasi abang mga kana mga turista, may mga needs sa dapat apan nga, they are isulit sa kan.
Sa atong DOQ, na-ask ko man lang kay Doc Kit, yung regular pa rin man, it's online sa mga airlines natin. So, wag kita mga papel makaroon yung pinapinapan. But the international, they have the online declaration. Yes.
Message public, ensure the public.
Okay, so again, last parting shots from our panelists, Doc Leo first.
Yeah, doing as I mentioned earlier, I think we have to heighten our awareness, alertness, no. So how to protect ourselves, our families, no. So kung ano na atong mga precautions and protocols na ginaubra during COVID, I think we have to re-institute them, no. So we have to bring our alcohols, frequent hand washing, avoid crowded places. Tapos wala mo ng mga direct contacts, mga hugging and handshakes, kissing and all ganun. So, maging alerto. And kung may makita kita na may mga rashes, ay pwede natin doon i-suggest na magpa-check up or i-refer natin sa barangay health worker natin or sa RHU para mas ma-check sanda, no? Hindi naman tanan na rashes magiging mpox, but then magkakamuka sila minsan eh. Even the hand-foot-mouth disease looks like chickenpox kung amat, di ba? And even chickenpox can also look like mpox. So we have to be very sure kung ano yung maimaw dapat especially now na may nakakalat ng mpox. We have to be more alert.
Doc Mitch?
Yes, prevention still is the best cure. And if you are in doubt, always seek the doctor's help.
Sir Roger?
On the provincial surveillance unit na sa atong mga munisipyo kag hospital may wala kitang active surveillance unit, no. So we are actively conducting mga active case detection. Ag aton nga mga laboratories, aton medtechs are capable, no, sa to do the swabbing. So ready man do aton nga surveillance site in case na may mga magsuod nga mga suspect to conduct mga case investigation.
Doc Leslie?
So, siguro, just a reminder lang again sa everyone, no, that rest assured that your provincial government, sa pamumuno ni Governor Joel, no, is really doing its best to make sure that monkeypox will not come in here in Aklan. And hopefully, no, hindi yung doon nga ang role, but it will be the role of each and every Aklanon to protect our province. So again, as mentioned with our panel here, no, on how to protect, hopefully clear the katon on how we protect ourselves, not just from mpox, but any diseases, no, na transmissible siya. Wash your hands, use your sanitizer, wear your mask, avoid crowded places, avoid yung mga skin-to-skin contact, close contacts only for now, and help us share this awareness to everyone, and let's prevent also sharing of misinformation and creating alarm sa public, because again, mpox is manageable. Its fatality rate is also low. If we were able to successfully manage COVID, we will be able to successfully also prevent monkeypox from its spread here. Thank you. Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you to our resource persons and our